Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to disconnect from JBL Authentics 200 on an iPhone. To disconnect from JBL 200, Authentics 200, go to Settings, then Bluetooth, and here is your JBL Authentics. And to disconnect from it, you can either turn off your Bluetooth, or you can click on the name, click on the eye icon here, and you can disconnect from it temporarily, or click on forget this device to disconnect permanently. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.